Guys, happy Tuesday. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna teach you all a couple of items. You went through PowerPoint yesterday for your assignment SAM training, but I'm gonna go through the PowerPoint layout and the inside of the ribbon and the backstage view for you today. Okay. So, quick access toolbar is the little collection of tools and features at the top of the screen. You have the ribbon, which is the thing that has all of your commands in there. You should know how to minimize, restore, and close, which is like these three items that are on every every window of Microsoft Word. You have the zoom, the view, notes, status, thumbnail pane, your scroll bar, and your slide pane. Okay, this is like the active slide view that shows everything that you can edit in your specific PowerPoint slide. Okay, the ribbon has all of the things that you make changes to in a collection at the top of your screen. The ribbon is basically how we make changes to a presentation. It's the same thing in Microsoft Word as well. Okay. So on the File tab, you have all of these items: info, new, open, save as, print, share, export, close, account, and options. That is called the Backstage view. When you click the File tab, it is the Backstage view that allows you to see what other options you have that exist. Okay, so when you click the File tab, you get the Backstage view. So this just goes into some detail about what each item in the Backstage view has. So info specifically has protecting and inspecting a document, and then also managing the document properties. New obviously allows you to open up a brand new presentation. Open will give you the options of where you want to open your presentation. If you made an adjustment to one recently, there will also be one that you can choose from that's like a recently utilized file. Save, obviously, save is something that has been saved before. If you've never saved it before, you're going to click Save As. So if I open up a brand new document, I'm just typing, and I have never saved. If I exit out of it, I can click Save As, and I can actually give it a name. If I just hit Save, it'll probably save it as Presentation 1 or something like that. The File tab has the Backstage view. Save As shows where the files can be stored. So you can select your computer, recent locations, or you can choose like a cloud or something like that. Okay. Printing, as we know, you know how to print, file print, and you just go ahead and select it. You can change how the thing prints, if it's color or black and white, if it's front and back, or if it's just one-sided. You can choose all those settings when you go to the Print tab on the Backstage view. Okay. Share will allow you to share a document from inside of PowerPoint. We don't use that very often, but that feature does exist. Export, you can change it. You can create a video out of a presentation. You can create, combine it and compile it so that it can be presented on a CD. Okay, you guys don't even use CDs anymore, but it was an option that exists. I think they need to get rid of that, but that's just me. And then close. Okay, obviously you know how to close. And then you have the account, which allows you to log in and out of your Microsoft, account rather. Connected cloud services. They do have a cloud connected to Microsoft accounts, which is helpful for those people who don't have a lot of storage on their computer. You can save it on the cloud. And then if you log into your Microsoft account anywhere, you'll be able to see that. Okay. And then lastly is options. This is pretty much giving you options for how your window looks or settings or whatever. Okay, so that is the Backstage view. You can exit out of that by clicking on that little arrow and it'll take you back out. Okay, so we're going to stop there and you guys are going to work on the work for today. I will include notes in Schoology for you to access. All right, guys, have a great day.